How to enable or disable call on other devices on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connected devices. In here, go down and tap on call and text on other devices. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on call on other devices. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Otherwise, switch it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side to view a list of connected devices. So for example, if you have a Galaxy tab connected to your phone, it will show in the list here, provided that you are connected to the same Samsung account. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.